In life, we sometimes screw up and that's okay, it happens. But what's not okay is finding out we've been lied to our entire lives and we have been performing the simplest task wrong, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey YouTube, I'm Court McGinley and welcome back to the most amazing top 5. Before we get started, I want to know, after you've watched this video, what thing or things have you been doing incorrectly? Let me know your answers down in the comments. And before we get started, I just want to remind all of you to please subscribe to this awesome channel if you haven't already. We bring you guys new videos 6 days a week. Also, make sure you show us some love by giving this video a big thumbs up and let me know down in those comments what other top 5 lists you'd like to see me do. Alright, without further ado, let's get started on our list of the top 5 things you've been doing wrong your whole life. Coming in at our number 5 spot, ketchup cups. Now yes, I know these aren't actually called ketchup cups, but I'm not sure what their exact names are and everyone uses them for ketchup, so moving on. We've been using these things wrong for years. I never knew. It's actually pretty upsetting. So when you use one of these, you normally just fill it with ketchup, right? Well, what we're supposed to do and what works 100 times better is if you spread the rims of the cup so you can have a larger area to work with and you can get even more ketchup. This makes it easier for dunking your fries or burgers. Very clever. Too bad not many people know about the cup's true abilities. But now that you do, make sure you tell your family and friends so they can enjoy the benefits as well. In at number 4, cupcakes. This is another one that I just had no idea about. We've been eating cupcakes wrong as well. What is going on in this world? It seems easy. You get a cupcake, peel off the wrapper, and bite it. Now sure, you sometimes get frosting on your face and that's annoying, but you just wipe it off. Well, it turns out if we eat cupcakes the right way, the way we're supposed to, then the frosting wouldn't be a problem. So apparently you're supposed to cut off the bottom and turn it into a sandwich, which when you think about it makes a lot of sense. I mean, you avoid just getting bites of pure frosting or just cupcake. Every bite is even, and it's a lot less messier too. At number 3, banana. We've been peeling bananas wrong too. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with us. We just can't seem to get it together, guys. Our parents misinformed us about all of these things. I feel so betrayed. So apparently instead of learning from our parents, we should have been taking lessons from the monkeys. But you know, monkey see, monkey do, right? This whole time we're supposed to be peeling bananas from the bottom instead of the top, just like the monkeys have been doing. I suppose it all tastes the same anyway, but it's still a little disappointing to realize. Coming in at number 2, brushing teeth. We've been brushing our teeth incorrectly too? Apparently we're supposed to only use a dab of toothpaste while brushing our teeth, and we're not supposed to rinse our mouths out with water afterwards either. The reason you're not supposed to rinse out your mouth immediately after brushing your teeth is because it will wash away the concentrated fluoride in the remaining toothpaste, which in turn will dilute it and reduce its preventative effects. Learn something new every day. And in at number 1, breathing. Wait, what? Yeah, we've been messing up the one thing that's keeping us alive. Well, I suppose since we're still alive, we can't be messing it up too badly, right? Apparently there's a proper way to breathe, and 99% of us are doing it wrong. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to breathe properly, you know, just in case you wanna try it out. The proper way of breathing is to breathe from your abdomen, not your chest. Really, good to know. It turns out breathing from your chest area will result in shallow breaths and less oxygen intake. Oh man, we can't have that. So let's try and breathing the correct way. The more oxygen, the better. And there you have it, that's a list of the top 5 things you've been doing wrong your whole life. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.